In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix leave meeting error where you're told the meeting has problem, that is with this error code 103033 on your Zoom app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to fix this problem with your meeting, there are quite a number of steps you can take to do this. First, you need to go to settings to troubleshoot your app, and you can do that by just going to settings, then scroll down to apps, and then manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for your app, and once you tap on it, I'll be taken to the app info page here. Go to force stop and then clear data and choose clear cache. You also want to choose clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and now try and see if the problem has been fixed. Should this not fix your problem, then you want to check and see if you have any VPN turned on. If you'll need to turn it off, and also if you're using any proxy or security app, you'll need to uninstall it or turn it off. However, should this not be the case, then you want to check if we have any update for your Zoom app, and here just search for your app by name, and if you run the search, make sure you update your app to the latest version before you open and start using your Zoom app. So that's how you can fix this error. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.